Prophecy number 6 confirmed yet again. Prophet Dr. ONYEKACHI prophesied on the 31st December 2022 about floods and fire outbreak.
Number 6, the Lord said there will be repetition of 2022 prophecy, which is flood, fire outbreak. It's still on the air, it never finished. The Spirit of God said to me, there's going to be a repetition. It's going to repeat what some of those things that happened last year is going to happen this year. And he said there's going to be fire outbreak again, and there's going to be flood. Those are the ones that are already on the air that is carrying over. So it will happen. It's not like it's a new prophecy. It's a repetition of what has already been on the air 2022. I prophesied 2022. I said there's going to be fire outbreak, and it happened. I spoke about Zimbabwe border. It happened. I spoke about flood. It happened. And I'm telling you today, there's going to be a repetition of flood and fire outbreaks this year. I pray for somebody seated here. That fire outbreak of flood will never get to you. It will never get to where you are. It will never get to your business. In the mighty name of Jesus.
Authorities in Maui are discouraging all non-essential travel to the island as emergency services continue to respond to the fires that have devastated parts of the area, especially the historic town of Lahaina. Hundreds of homes and businesses have been burned to the ground. A helicopter pilot who was able to take off this Wednesday morning said it looked like the entire town had been bombed and that the area looked like a war zone. Overnight, we heard reports of several residents and tourists who were forced to jump into the ocean to escape the blaze. 12 people were successfully rescued from the water by the Coast Guard, but there are many who are still missing. We've seen dozens of posts of people saying they've been unable to get in touch with their relatives who live in Lahaina. The fire has destroyed cell phone towers, which means that people who were trapped in town on Tuesday were unable to reach emergency services. Now, this blaze was whipped up by winds gusting up to 130 kilometers per hour, the result of Hurricane Dora, which passed south of Hawaii, about 800 kilometers south of Hawaii. Those winds made it impossible for firefighting aircraft to operate during the worst of the fire on Tuesday. Unfortunately, authorities fear the death toll will continue to rise. Several people have been injured. Many of them are in critical
Floods confirmed in Sweden, Norway, India, Slovenia. Join us every Sunday for prophetic encounters with solutions at 406 York Avenue, Randburg, South Africa at 9.